being prepared and doing kind of your research beforehand and seeing what you can bring through, because a lot of people do just assume that you can only bring the 3.4 ounces that everyone's kind of allotted. But a lot of people don't know that parents of babies and toddlers can bring milk and other kinds of foods through TSA as well.
My recommendation is to pack breast milk or formula in a plastic bottle, because that plastic bottle they can actually place into one of these bottle scanners without having to open the container at all. So if you are traveling with breast milk and you actually just don't want to open the container at all, I think that is also something, however you're traveling with it, I think that is also something that you can just notify the TSA agent about right from the get-go, instead of it being something that's, an issue when you get down to the security line.
So first and foremost, being educated and advocate for yourself, having something downloaded on your phone, a screenshot of the TSA app, or something of that nature would be really helpful for parents.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.